Hey guys, so I got my seals in today, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in and start reassembling this engine. Just applying some lube, make it a lot easier.
One, two, three, come on!
Beautiful. And that one I could do with my thumb. But, alright, got all the seals in. Well, the ones that I've taken out so far, actually. There's one more to do. Remove the clutch basket. This one. But this was once painted, and I've been trying to get all the paint off of it, so kind of can't or won't do anything until that paint's all off of it. So alright, I'm gonna go grab my clutch plates and everything else to start putting this together, so see you guys here in a second. Alright guys, so got my kicker gear in there, and just because that was a big pain in the butt, so I just did it like without the camera. But now I have everything set up, ready to go, just about. Alright, so I got some red Loctite, and I'm gonna put a little bit on there. Deal. Come on. And here's the last plate. Okay. Got all this. And we got this, and the tabs fold over, and they go in these two little holes right here. Let me try and turn this so you can see it better. See, there's a groove right there. They go in, and it locks them. We put this piece in right over here. Good. Okay. Got it all put together. Son of a bitch. I hate myself. I completely, 100% completely forgot to put this in there, and that had to go before everything else. So, I'm gonna go ahead and tear it all down, put it in there. I'll see you guys when that's finished.